Lady sends her elder sister packing after she advised her against bringing different men to her house.
My own sister telling me to leave her house because of I gave her advice. My own sister telling me to leave her house because I told her to stop bringing different men in the house. It's not only one man, no, different man. She's sending me away out of her house. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. You don't even have respect. You don't even have respect. You don't know your senior.
Use that respect and
Because of it's your house, you're telling me to leave your house. You don't know your senior.
Senior no dey live for junior house, right? Senior dey live for junior house. No.
You don't have respect, oh. This girl now sending me out of her house because it's her house. Because I advised her to stop to stand in the house. She's sending me out. See, take my bag inside. Children, take my bag inside. I don't like this thing you're doing. Take my bag inside. I don't like this thing you're doing. Bag inside. I don't want us to fight. I don't like this. I'm your sister. I'm your senior sister. Give me the respect that I deserve. Give me respect.
Yeah, your bag still inside.
Give me respect. Take my things inside.
Use that respect and
Inside, please. I don't like this thing you're doing. I'm your sister.
Which sister?
You have to give me respect. No matter even if it's your house, you have to give me respect. I don't like this thing you're doing.